You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop archive feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, ready to do an item for the Mousetrap series. Yes, no more games. Well, actually, there's one more game, but all of the series as regards to the board games is done. But I do have 2 or 3 more items that are not considered part of the board game series, but I wanted to get in there for Mousetrap. Like this one is the McDonald's McPlay. Now, there were other toys in this series. Now, I only had this one. It's from 2018. So there were other Hasbro gaming toys in the line. Maybe one day I'll get those, but I kind of stopped doing Happy Meal toys a while ago. It was just getting too costly to try to find all the current ones. And I've gone through all of the vintage ones that I had. Well, not all. There's a couple things I'm going to be showing you soon. So again, 2018 McDonald's Mousetrap. Let's see what this is all about. Now, all my McDonald's I've opened up from the back. Why, you may ask? I try to preserve the bag. Now that they're part of the archive, I always try to keep everything in its original shape as possible. This was toy 7 in the line of toys. Okay, Mousetrap. All right, let's see. Okay, so what do we have here? These are the little mice. There's 2 green mice, 2 red, 2 yellow, and 2 blue. And they're flat plastic mice, and it's like a lime green, bright red, regular red, yellow, and blue. And then there's a little, what looks to be a mouse hand there, and a trap. My guess is that maybe you put stuff on it for the weight. Yes, okay, 1. Hold this up. It does not stay. It just shows you holding it and like it's gonna stay. Maybe there's something. Let's figure this out in a minute here. All right. The fun continues in McPlay. Set up the game by lifting and holding the trap in the up position. One player stacks the mouse pieces on Happy's hand in any order they want and carefully releases the trap as it is set and ready to play. Oh, so you've got to get 1 on there. No. Set up the game by lifting and holding the trap in the up position. One player stacks the mouse pieces on Happy's hand in any order. Oh, you got to stack all of them. So you start with that, hold it, and get all of them stacked. So this must add the weight. There you go. Okay, see, simple. Just read the instructions. Okay, in any order they want, and carefully release the trap as it is set and ready to play. Players take turns carefully removing 1 mouse piece from the stack. If the trap does not fall down, the next player takes a turn. Players continue taking turns removing pieces on the trap until the trap falls. If the trap falls down on a player's turn, that player is out and needs to set up the stack for the next round. The game continues until 1 player is left. The last player left wins. Alright, so let's just see this cool little trap. Very simple game. Now, the base is yellow, and you see the Happy Meal on the side with his arms open. Let's see, is there anything on this side? Nothing. It just says Mousetrap embossed on the side. Now, my guess is it's always going to snap at the same spot. I don't know. Maybe these are different weights, so let's see. Okay, and player 1 has removed the lime green. Player 2 goes in for the red. The red is gone. Player 3 grabs a yellow. Now a blue. The trap has not been sprung. Oh, right when I grabbed the green. So let's just see now. Let's just mix this up. It stays up with, see, this one seems lighter, so there is a weight difference on these. The red is the heaviest. All right, let's do that again. 1. I believe the yellow is the lightest. It would be red, blue, green, yellow, I think, as far as weight. Okay, now we leave the blue. Oh, snapped. So let's do this as a test. Let's put the ones that we think are the heaviest on the bottom. I think it goes like this, or close to it. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Now the green. I think it's going to stay until you take at least one of these off, maybe 2. Yep, the heavy ones. Ooh, trapped. Now, will 2 blue hold it up? That's the question. Then we'll know for sure. Okay, 2 blue is not enough. 2 blue and a red. It's real close there. Okay, one more time. Here we go. Ooh, trapped there. And no one was grabbing it. All right, I think we get it. There isn't much more to it. I remember when I originally started adding videos to the McDonald's playlist, Happy Meal toys, I would have a set of 6, and I would do 7 videos, one showing all 7 toys, or 6 or 7 toys, and then one video of each of toy individually. That was just to kind of add a lot more content to YouTube at the time. And then that changed where I was starting to do all of them in one video. And then I wanted to make sure that I had the Happy Meal box and any accessories or extras that came at the time with that Happy Meal set. I think I was the only one actually doing that part of it. A lot of people will do the Happy Meal toy, but especially on the vintage ones, some of those boxes were extremely challenging. You had to take things apart, rebuild them. And then I kind of stopped doing them about 4 years ago, maybe 5 years ago. But I still have some lingering around here, which I do want to get done. I have a couple of the larger McDonald's displays in big boxes, which I want to show. Maybe I'll do those coming up. Either way, that is the Mousetrap from 2018 McDonald's. Toy number 7, and thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
Thanks for visiting the Lucky Penny Shop archive. Our mission is to preserve the history of vintage toys, games, and food maker sets, keeping nostalgic memories alive, one video at a time. If you enjoy discovering the past, subscribe today and become part of the archive. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny, pick it up.